In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know if a message has been seen on Slack. Simple and easy guide. First, a quick bit of context so expectations are clear. Slack doesn't show traditional read receipts for regular messages the way some chat apps do. There isn't a built-in seen or read label under a DM. Instead, the most dependable, lightweight signal that someone has actually viewed your message is an emoji reaction they add to it. Often a thumbs up, but it could be any emoji. With that in mind, let's walk through the simple process. Start by opening Slack on your desktop or in your browser, or launch the Slack app on your phone. From the left sidebar, go to your direct messages. If you don't immediately see the person you're messaging, use the search bar at the top and type their name to bring up your conversation. Click or tap their name to open the DM thread. Make sure you're in the correct one-on-one conversation, rather than a group DM or channel, especially if you have multiple threads with the same person across different projects. Once you're in the DM, send your message as you normally would. If the message is already there, you're just waiting for a sign they've noticed it. Now here's the key. Watch for an emoji reaction added to your message. A simple thumbs up, check mark, or any emoji placed directly under your message means the recipient has seen it and acknowledged it. On desktop, you'll notice a small emoji appear just beneath the message with a number next to it if there are multiple reactions. Hovering over that reaction will show who reacted. On mobile, the reaction appears under the message as well, and you can tap and hold the message to view reaction details. This works because adding a reaction requires the other person to find and focus on your specific message. It's a quick, low-effort confirmation that they've at least viewed what you sent, even if they aren't ready to type a full reply yet. It's also a common Slack etiquette. Teammates often use a thumbs up to signal got it, seen, or on it. A couple of helpful notes as you wait. No reaction doesn't always mean it hasn't been seen yet. The other person might be in Do Not Disturb, in a meeting, or switching devices. They might also choose to reply instead of reacting. If you prefer reactions as acknowledgments in your workspace, consider aligning on that norm with your team so everyone knows a quick emoji equals read. And that's it. Open the DM, then look for an emoji reaction as your clear sign the message has been seen.